everyone, I'm Lasa Priya from PP1 class. Today my friend Princess Sophia is here to share her experience life underwater. For Princess Sophia's birthday, the king decides to teach her the importance of sustainable development. He asked Sophia to explore life underwater. Yes, my dear, tomorrow is your birthday. You have a surprise. A surprise! Do I need to wait till tomorrow for them? Yes, you are grown up. I am giving you an opportunity to explore sea and forest. This is your birthday gift. Sophia is very excited for the journey. Seeks help from Aquaman for exploring the ocean. Hi, Aquaman. How are you? Hello, Princess. Nice to see you. Hello, you. I'm here to explore the sea. Life underwater. Meet our friends. Well, let's change this.
Spread your wings like a stingray. Sway left, sway right. Star jump like a starfish. Open and close, nice and wide. Tiptoe from side to side, like a crab. Clickety clack, jiggle like a jellyfish. Jiggle to the front, jiggle to the back. Let me see you jiggle to the front, jiggle to the back. Jiggle to the front and jiggle to the back. Whoa, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Whoa, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Whoa, let's go. Come dive with me under the sea, where all the sea creatures are living happily. Come dive with me under the sea, where all the sea creatures are living happily. Dive like a dolphin, dive up, dive down, shimmer like a kingfish. He's a king without a crown, hunts like a great white shark. Under the sea, where all the sea creatures are living happily. Sway, star jump, tiptoe.
Because of human littering. Littering, how it happened?
Up to 20 million tons of plastic goes into the ocean every year. That's as much as 3 kilograms per person each year. Plastics make up roughly half of each person's contribution to ocean pollution. Fertilizers, manure, and untreated sewage pollute the ocean at a rate of 1.4 kilograms per person per year. This causes hypoxia or dead zones in the ocean, killing off marine wildlife. Waste oil from vehicles and machines enters the ocean at a rate of 180 grams per person every year. And other pollutants, like mercury, are introduced to the ocean in small but devastating amounts.
Oh no, how disturbing! Princess Sophia talks to you how ocean and marine life were on the thread. She has to take action when she's back to Paris. Thank you, Princess Sophia, for sharing your experience. Look, friends, how excessive human activities are threat to ocean sustainability. Did you know, friends, UNGA has set up goals for sustainable development. One is dedicated to beautiful. I belong to land, air and the water.